Meta Smart Glasses Prescription Lens Review. If you are considering Meta Smart Glasses but need vision correction, the prescription lens option is surprisingly well integrated. Meta has partnered with select optical providers to offer seamless prescription fitting without interfering with the tech features. The clarity and fit are solid, no distortion in AR display or camera alignment. However, since prescription lenses need to be custom fitted, you can't order them directly with the glasses. You either go through Meta's approved partners or have a third party lens provider install them, which might void warranty. Overall, for users who rely on prescription eyewear, it's a convenient and effective upgrade, though it does add some cost and a bit of wait time. So that's it.